Okay, let's take this cover off. Wheel out of the way. There. Gus. Boot's torn up a little bit. That's not good. These brake pads aren't even worn. Yep. That one's coming off. Not nearly as bad as the other one was. I was able to get one of them loose with the 5/16. Tapped it on there. I'm going to try the other ones and see if I can get that to work. Two out of three. That'll do it. Not the best looking bolt, but it'll work. Here's our other cover. XL3Z 2K004-AA or 3016044. Blue Loctite, not red. There we go. That's pretty good. That's not coming off. Need some brake clean. A rag. Okay, I have the brake hardware in here. Put the bolts back in. There's 136. This one will go on the inside. Wear indicator will go on the outside. Okay, I picked up a replacement brake caliper from Advanced Auto. I don't have the part number, but caliper mounting bolts. 25. There we go. I gotta bleed the brakes out. I'm torquing the wheels to 100 foot-pounds. 21 millimeter nuts. All I gotta do is clean everything up and I'll be done. That's it for replacing the rotors and brake pads and the right front wheel caliper on my 2001 Ford F-150. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.